Most people don't need the flashiest mower, they need the right one for your yard. In this video, I'll break down the best push lawn mowers that actually fit how you mow, not just what looks good on paper. Whether you're dealing with thick overgrowth, tight corners, small yards, or just tired of pushing dead weight uphill, each mower here solves a real problem. I'll show you exactly what each one is best at, what to avoid, and how to pick one that works for your routine, not someone else's checklist. Let's start with the Craftsman M215, a gas-powered self-propelled mower built for people who need power, not just features. If your lawn has uneven ground, patches of thick weeds, or grass that gets out of control quickly, this mower is built for that kind of work. The 159cc engine doesn't hesitate, it just chews through whatever's in its path. Unlike many gas mowers that feel like a workout to push, this one is front-wheel self-propelled. It means you're not fighting the weight on inclines or sharp turns. It's not the lightest mower, but the self-propel system makes it feel manageable even for older users. The 21-inch cutting deck is wide enough for medium to large yards, so you're not wasting time going back and forth. You also get 6 height adjustments, not gimmicky but actually useful for adapting to fast-growing spring grass versus midsummer dry patches. And the 3-in-1 system gives you real flexibility. If you're bagging this week and mulching next week, it'll keep up without fuss. It's not quiet, it's not maintenance-free, but it's made for people who value raw, dependable performance over trendy features. This is easily the best gas-powered push lawn mower if you're mowing tougher ground and need something that just works under pressure. At number 4, we have SunJoe MJ 401E Pro. Now, if you're in a completely different situation, maybe you've got a small urban lawn or a postage stamp backyard, then what you want isn't power. It's control, simplicity, and low effort. That's exactly where the SunJoe MJ 401E comes in. This mower is made for tight spaces and lightweight handling. It's only 30 pounds, so you don't need strength to push it. You don't need to pull a cord to start it. You don't even need to think about fuel or batteries. It runs on a 13-amp motor plugged into your wall. Unlimited runtime, instant on, no prep. The 14-inch deck is narrow, but that's a feature, not a limitation. If you've got flower beds, stepping stones, or narrow strips along fences, this thing fits where most others don't. It gives you just 3 height settings, but again, for small lawns where you're just doing quick maintenance every week, that's all you need. The rear bag and side discharge chute make cleanup easy, and even the storage footprint is tiny. If you live in a townhouse or you've just got a small lawn and want the best push mower for tight or small yards, this model is built exactly for that scenario. No maintenance, no weight, no fuel, just plug it in and mow. At number 3, we have Worx Nitro 40V. Now, if you're done with gas but still want real cutting power, not just convenience, the Worx Nitro 40V hits a strong middle ground. This mower is for people who want battery power without compromising on real performance. It's cordless, quiet, and light, but it actually feels strong enough to handle variable grass thickness without stalling. It comes with 2 4.0 Ah batteries and a charger, which gives you solid runtime for up to half an acre depending on the terrain. The standout here is the 19-inch steel deck. Most cordless mowers in this range come with plastic decks, lighter, yes, but less stable on uneven ground. With the Worx, you feel like you're using a more serious machine, even if it's battery-powered. It handles mulch, bag, and side discharge, and the 7-position height control actually works across different grass types. The foldable handle is a plus if you're tight on garage space, and the charge level indicator helps you plan your sessions better. But the real reason this stands out is its balance. You're not buying it just for ease. You're buying it because you want a cordless push lawnmower that still feels like it can handle a bit of abuse and not wear down fast. If that's your mindset, the Worx Nitro hits the sweet spot. At number 2, we have Greenworks 40V Twin Force. If what you care about most is runtime and clean-cut quality, if you want each mow to feel efficient and low stress, the Greenworks 40V Twin Force makes a very strong case. This mower is built for people who don't want to keep stopping to recharge or empty half-filled bags. The twin blade system here is the big differentiator. Instead of one large blade, it uses two smaller ones that counter-rotate. This results in better airlift, finer mulching, and cleaner bagging, especially useful if you're picky about clippings or if you mow weekly and want a clean finish. You get a 20-inch cutting width, so it's slightly wider than the Worx, and it includes two batteries, one 4.0 AH and one 2.0 H, that auto-switch mid-use. That feature alone solves a lot of the runtime anxiety most battery mowers cause. It's smart enough to adapt power output with its Smart Cut tech based on how dense the grass is. If you've got a medium-sized yard with normal to moderately thick grass and you want the best battery-powered push lawn mower for efficiency, low noise, and ease, this one just works. It's not aggressive like the Craftsman, but it's intelligent and capable, which honestly fits the majority of homeowners out there. At number 1, we have Ego Power Plus LM2150SP. Finally, if you want the most premium cordless experience available, one that doesn't just match gas but beats it in control, precision, and comfort, the Ego Power Plus LM2150S is where it all leads. This mower is designed for people who want every part of mowing to feel dialed in, from the cut quality to how the machine responds to your hand. The Select Cut XP system is where it starts. You're not locked into one blade. You get interchangeable lower blades for mulching, bagging, or extended runtime. That means you customize your mow based on your actual grass conditions, just like a pro landscaper would. On top of that, the upper blade stays fixed, giving you a clean and uniform top cut. The touch drive self-propel system is subtle but game-changing. Instead of pushing or toggling levers, you control speed with your palm, making this mower feel like it follows your lead. With a 10.0H battery, it runs up to 75 minutes, which is far beyond most battery mowers in this class. You also get LED headlights, one-handed height adjustment with 8 levels, and a compact folding design. But what sets this mower apart is how refined it feels. If you want the best cordless push lawnmower with true premium handling, excellent runtime, and professional-grade cutting control, this is the top-tier pick. Each of these 5 mowers solves a specific problem for a specific kind of user. If you need raw power for thick yards and don't mind gas, the Craftsman wins. If you need compact, maintenance-free control for a tiny space, SunJoe is unbeatable. If you want cordless power with solid toughness and balance, Worx Nitro is your guy. If smooth efficiency and long runtime matter most, Greenworks Twin Force is the practical choice. And if you want the absolute best of what cordless mowing has to offer, the Ego LM2150SP gives you a top-shelf experience. This is how you make a smart, informed choice, by matching your yard, your lifestyle, and your expectations to the mower's strengths. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of yard you're working with. I'll help you find the one that fits best.